If you want to know what lifestyle at Bridgewater Viera is all about today, that is exactly what I'm going to show you. If you are considering moving here, then this is definitely the video you need to see. We're going to go inside and I'm going to show you the amenity center and everything that you can expect from lifestyle here at Bridgewater Viera. Let's go. We are going to explore the amenity center here in Bridgewater. So this is going to be the front. Essentially, you've got your parking lot here, cars, golf carts, bikes, bike racks right here. And then the, I'll go ahead and flip the camera around for us. All right, so your front gate is gonna have a card entry. Now this gate guy is not included, but we could see if we could find one at an additional cost. So here's your front entryway right here. Now these are the mail center right here, which they are currently delivering. This room right here has some pool tables in it. This is courtyard area, tables, lake view. So this is the billiards room. This is the movie theater. I've got public restrooms here, or not public, but resident restrooms, public access. So here's the movie theater. It's movie in progress. We're not going to go in there. They've got the popcorn station. They've got the movie schedule here. Beautiful Florida day today. It's hot, but there is a nice breeze. And we're actually getting a little breeze coming in off the lake right here. So this is that same entrance that or not same entrance, but that is the same lobby that we were just in for the movie theater. And this is the craft room. Craft events. Got some examples of the artwork on the wall, more restrooms. So this is the craft room for Bridgewater Viera. And we're gonna keep following our lovely tour guide, Christian, today. So he is very hospitable. Now here, this is gonna be the pool area over here. They've got a little gazebo down here by the lake. And we have drone footage of all this as well. So we can include this. There's your gazebo. There's your lake view. So you've got some sunbathing chairs here. You've got the covered lanai area. They've got the waterfall. This is the bar area right here. Now this is going to be the cafe. Lots of seating in here, a couple TVs. Okay, this is going to be the auditorium. And you can see there is more parking right here behind the auditorium. Here's another view, so you can see how much parking we have. This is the pool that we just saw across the area. So this is that front entrance we came in. This is the movie theater. This is the billiards room. There's actually some guys in there playing pool right now. And this is going to be the office for the association. There's Christian again, enjoying some coffee from the lovely coffee bar.
Yes.
Here at Bridgewater Viera. Let's head back over here and see the back side of the pool area. This is the library right here. And this is some ping pong. So we got billiards, if you like playing pool, we got ping pong, pickleball courts, right? There's pickleball here.
Pickleball courts and tennis courts.
We got pool, arts and crafts,
Library.
movie theater, library, bike racks, your bikes. You can invite your guests here. They've got a bar in there. This is that back parking lot that I kind of showed you earlier through the window of the auditorium. Let's see if there's more golf carts or there's more cars. We got one car, one golf cart, two cars, one golf cart, one car. I think the cars are winning, but we do have golf carts. We've got another one over here. We've got another one there. We're gonna keep working our way over here so you can see the tennis. As far as golf goes, if you're wondering about golf, you do have access to the Duran, which is not part of Bridgewater at Viera, but Duran is accessible, it's close by. Could you get down your golf cart? Yes. Here's another view of the backside of the pool, the water park. Future neighbors waving at you, you see them? It is not Google Earth. This is pick your neighbor. We're not fancy enough for Google Earth. Okay. Yeah. Some neighbors there wanting to be on YouTube. All right, here we go. Here's the bocce ball courts. Full disclosure, I have never played bocce ball before. If you decide to buy here and you would like to invite me over for a round of bocce ball, I would happily come play if you could teach me the rules. I'll give you an idea here. So you got two courts, water fountain on each side, covered seating. And then here are the tennis / pickleball courts. So everything's got the lake view or pond view, if you want to call it a lake or a pond. So we do get a nice little breeze from that. Courts look really nice. So you've got these 4 courts here. Now these are going to be the full-size courts here. Water fountains. Let's go back to the courts. Well, not back to the courts. We're going to keep walking this way and go see more of the courts, the other courts. Here we go. There's a view of your tennis courts. And there's even another set of courts right over here. And here you go. These 2 courts are identical to the 2 courts we were just at. So this is going to be the full amenity center and amenity, not even center, this is what the Bridgewater at Viera, this is what lifestyle is all about. If you guys have any questions about lifestyle here at Bridgewater Viera, you can definitely reach out to us. You can drop those in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. If there's more videos that you want to see about Bridgewater Viera, let us know down in the comments. If you have questions though about buying here, you're thinking about relocating, we'd love to help you with that. You can call, text, or email. I've got our contact information down in the description of this video. And if you thought this video was helpful, we've actually got some more property tours of some homes here in Bridgewater Viera. So if you guys want to see those, you can join us for that right here. I'll see you guys there.